Hi, hello, it's Frank Delacroix from PRM-Taiwan. We are a marketing company specialized in the plastic and rubber industry. We are here with Eda, the organizer of CHINAPLAS. Please, could you explain us what is CHINAPLAS?
CHINAPLAS is the international exhibition on plastics and rubber industries held in China once every year. And the show is actually rotating between Shanghai and Guangzhou. And CHINAPLAS is now actually Asia's largest plastic exhibition, and also its market influence is just after K-Fair, the world #1 plastic and rubber show.
Okay, and there is a lot of different exhibition in China. What makes CHINAPLAS different from the other plastic exhibition in China?
In fact, CHINAPLAS was first established in 1983, so we have a long history. The show this year is organizing its 33rd event, and up to now, in fact, you are able to see a very broad range of exhibits in our show, ranging from those value for money products to very innovative technology. Yeah. So, in fact, CHINAPLAS is being recognized as a very good trading platform for the global market, as well as a technology platform. And in our show, there is a high degree of internationalization. It means that for our exhibitor, actually about 40% of our exhibitors are from overseas, and for our visitors, about 30%.
Okay.
30% out of 180,000 also from overseas, from more than 150 countries and regions. So this is also one of the uniqueness of CHINAPLAS. And in addition, actually our show actually penetrate into all the application industries. Because for plastics industry in the world, they all know very well about our exhibition. But the applications of plastic is very wide, so it also penetrates very much into the user industries.
Okay. And there is a lot of different delegation from a lot of different countries here in CHINAPLAS. How do you attract them?
For the coming show, we are expecting to receive, just now I said 180,000 visitors, and among them, there are many people come to our show in groups. So this year, we're expecting to have over 370 delegations, which came from different parts of the world and also from China. In fact, we have been in frequent contact with the travel agencies and also different trade associations and the enterprises in China and also overseas. Especially for delegation organization, we'll contact them very early and to see what kind of support we can offer if they are bringing a delegation to our show. Yeah. So such as the services like shuttle bus arrangement to the fairground, or some reception during the show to introduce to them what are the highlights at the show. And also some information kits will be prepared in advance for them. And also maybe some special arrangements when they enter the hall.
And there is a lot of different events, a lot of different conferences in CHINAPLAS. Could you explain to us and introduce to us the different events?
Wow, in this year's event, we have a lot of very fabulous concurrent events. In fact, our theme this year, for our focus this year, is on the smart manufacturing, innovative materials, and green solutions, green and circular solutions. So in general, we can say that the concurrent events this year are around these three angles, these three directions. So one of the events is called Industry 4.0 Factory of the Future. This event actually composed of two parts. One is a manufacturing intelligence control room, and another part is the smart factory. So through these two parts of the event, we're actually bringing close to reality future factory to on-site. So if the visitors, they come to visit our manufacturing intelligence control room, they can see a very big panel, and this panel is connected to different points, different connection points. For example, it's connected to a mini smart factory being set up at the fairground. And this mini factory actually is helped you to imagine how the future factory look like. If you only have one technician, you can still manage the factory and also to have digital manufacturing. Yeah. And then it's also connected to different booths in the show. So, you know, a lot of our booths, there are many machineries. So through the connection, you can see the real-time operation data from these booths, from these machineries. And then on the other side, it's also connected to many smart factories outside the fairground, from in China and also in overseas. So what I want to say is from our smart manufacturing intelligence control room, you can see a lot of real-time production data, and we are going to use those data to illustrate how you can do digital manufacturing and how you can actually manage your factory well, even with very low labor and also very efficiently.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is the purpose of the Industry 4.0 Factory of the Future.
Wow.
Yeah. Another event I would like to introduce is the fifth Design and Innovation. Yeah. This event actually is focused on product design. Yeah. And you know, nowadays the customers, the consumers, they have a lot of requirements on our products. No matter it's from the outlook or the function of the product. So we think that, we know that designers are playing a more and more important role in production, because they will really influence what kind of materials to be used for the product, and also maybe what kind of production technology. Yeah. So we think that actually for plastics, they can offer a lot of solution, a lot of design solutions to the product designers. So this year we have three sub-events under design innovation. One is the CMF Inspiration Wall, which is set up at the entrance of Hall 10.3. Yeah, so at the CMF Inspiration Wall, you can see we will showcase, we'll display many different plastic solutions that offer to the design sector, especially in terms of the three aspects. C is color, M is material, and F is finishing, the finishing technology. And we also have design forum. And the two topics covered will be CMF design and design for recycling and sustainability forum. Yeah. So we invited a lot of design masters from China overseas to share their experience and also how to produce some good brands, good branding for the products. Yeah. And another part is a new event for this year is the CMF, is the CHINAPLAS Designers Night. Yeah. And this event is actually crossover, is actually a crossover activity for the plastics and the electronics industry. Yeah. And we hope, because South China is actually the industrial clusters for the electronics industries. So we think that during showtime is a good opportunity to link up the two industries so they can have more exchanges and also to get known to each other.
Okay, yeah. Okay. And do you have any other event here in CHINAPLAS?
Yes, two more events I would like to introduce. One is the Tech Talk. The Tech Talk is actually a platform for our exhibitors to introduce their latest innovations and also the applications. So this year, the Tech Talk will be held on the 1st to the 3rd show day. And it will be held actually by different, with different topics, like 3D printing, the long fiber injection, how you can have a hip living style with plastics, the upgrade solution for packaging industry, etc. So we hope this can be enable the visitors can be very quickly, they can get an understanding of the latest solutions while they are visiting the fair, looking at different booths. Okay. Yeah. And then another one is the Medical Plastics Connect. The Medical Plastics Connect actually is tailor-made for the manufacturers of medical devices and the disposable makers and the pharmaceutical packaging companies. So this year, the Medical Plastic Connect is an integration of product display and also open forum and guided tour. Yeah, for the product display, we have the medical plastics kiosk set up in both Zone A and Zone B, so visitors can easily go and take a look. Whereas for the open forum, actually is held from the day 1 to day 3, and we have different topics related to the medical industries. For the guided tour, because our show is very big in scale and we have over 3,600 exhibitors, so for those interested to join the tour, we'll have special tour guide to lead them to the suppliers of medical plastics solution, so that they can have face-to-face meeting and then to discuss in depth about what they need and what solutions our exhibitors can offer. Yeah.
So we spoke a lot about future of machinery. What is the future of CHINAPLAS?
Okay, so CHINAPLAS is well recognized as a very successful trading platform for the whole world. So in future, we will continue to develop it into a technology platform. Okay. And our aim is we would like to also penetrate into different application sectors to understand their needs and to serve them better. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So thank you very much. It was PRM Taiwan and Ada. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Thank you.